So here are the top 5 dash cameras which you can buy in India in the month of April 2026. Starting off with the most value for money variant, I'm talking about the Crossbeats DC04 triple channel dash cam. So this comes in at a price of 12,999, that's about 13,000 rupees, and this offers you not one, not two, but a 3 channel setup, and the cherry on top being the front camera gets a star-2 sensor and also gets a 4K resolution. I personally have tried and tested this camera out, and it's a completely dependable product considering the price point it comes at. So the Crossbeats DC04 shoots a 4K front and shoots a full HD rear resolution along with a full HD resolution for the cabin camera. This dashcam also gets a super capacitor, gets built-in GPS and ADAS features along with inbuilt parking mode. The Crossbeats DC04 also supports a 5 GHz Wi-Fi for the fastest file transfer. This gets a proper app support, and you also get a 1-year dedicated warranty for this camera. So it's pretty much possible that you have a budget of about 10,000 or maybe up to 12, 13, maximum of 15,000. And if you're looking for a dash cam, for a perfect dash cam within that price range, I would definitely recommend you to go with the Crossbeats DC04 because it's the most value for money camera within that budget range right now. And just so you know, all the cameras which I mentioned in this video, the purchase links are given right down below in the description. Go ahead, check that out and purchase it straight away. Moving on to the second dash cam in this list, this is one of the people's favorite dash cam. I'm talking about the Redtiger F17 2026 upgraded edition. Yes, I've previously extensively reviewed the Redtiger F17. It was a triple channel setup, but Redtiger has now upgraded that dash camera and added a star-2 sensor to the existing F17, giving a much needed change which probably everyone was waiting for. So this Redtiger F17 now shoots a 4K front based on the star-2 IMX675 sensor, so it's an upscaled 4K. You also get a full HD resolution for the rear and a full HD resolution for the cabin camera. So this camera gets a 5.8 GHz Wi-Fi network, gets a 3-inch IPS display, gets a super capacitor, gets a parking mode, and you can also purchase a separate CPL filter accessory, for which I'll give you the link right down below in the description, along with the fact that if you do purchase using my link that's been given in the description from the Redtiger website, you get an additional free 64 GB memory card bundled with the box, and you also get a 18+6, that's close to 2-year worth of warranty, using the link given in the description below. Additionally, if you're looking for some parking monitoring, you can grab a combo of the dash camera and the Hardwire kit bundled together, for which also I've given you the link right down below, and this will ensure that you get a savings of nearly 1,300 rupees. So just the Redtiger F17 comes at a price of 16,999 and the Hardwire kit bundle combo comes at a price of about 18,200 rupees. So if you have a brand preference of Redtiger and Redtiger being significantly popular in India right now in terms of dash cams, this is one camera which should definitely get for your car. Moving on to the third camera, so this is again from Redtiger and again an upgraded 2026 model. I'm talking about the Redtiger F17 Elite 2026 version, that's the upgraded version. So now this too gets a triple star-2 sensor, wherein the front camera shoots a native 4K resolution based on the star-2 IMX678. The rear camera shoots a quad HD resolution based on the star-2 IMX675, and the cabin camera shoots a full HD resolution based on the star-2 IMX662. So this camera too is now available with a bundle pack of a free 128 GB memory card and also Hardwire kit combo, whereas the camera itself will cost you about 29,999, that's about 30,000 rupees. If you do purchase it with the Hardwire kit combo, you will get it at a price of about 31 to 32,000 rupees. So this camera supports a triple star-2 sensors, gets dual HDR, gets the color mode for the cabin camera, and has one of the finest designs ever seen on a dash cam. So if you have a budget of close to 30,000 rupees and you want to have a complete coverage around the car, and you also want to have the best of the sensors, that's a star-2 sensor on every camera within the dash cam, the F17 Elite, currently available on the Redtiger website using the link given in the description, would be the most ideal choice. Moving on to the fourth best dash cam, well, this is my personal favorite. I am talking about none other than the VIOFO A229 Ultra. There is simply no other dual 4K camera that can come close to what the A229 Ultra can do for you. The dual channel variant of the VIOFO A229 Ultra comes close to about 34,000 rupees, and the triple channel variant comes at a price of close to 38 to 39,000 rupees. So in the A229 Ultra, both front and the rear camera shoot a native 4K resolution, get a star-2 IMX678 sensor, and if you do purchase the triple channel unit, the cabin camera gets the world's first fisheye cabin camera with a 210-degree wide angle and this too gets a star vis 2 sensor. Now this camera gets triple HDR, supports ultra precise quad GPS, has a smart parking mode, gets also a USB 2.0 port, supports voice control. This camera also gets a CPL filter included in the box, and the best thing about this camera is that VIOFO is the current best service provider in India with a full 2-year warranty with a free pickup and drop service right from your home in case of any warranty issues. I have personally tried and extensively used the VIOFO A229 Ultra, and I would definitely place my bet on this camera for the long term because this camera is simply good and there couldn't be any other better dual 4K camera which you can buy in the market right now. That being said, moving on to the fifth camera in this list, I'm talking about the king of dash cameras. This is the VIOFO A329S. This is simply the best and there's nothing else that comes close to it. So this camera offers you a native 4K resolution from the front, shoots a 2K resolution from the rear, and also shoots a 2K resolution from the cabin camera. So do note that this is the same cabin camera which has been used in the VIOFO A229 Ultra with a bumped up resolution, which means you get a super wide angle 210-degree field of view covering near 360-degree coverage of the car. This camera also gets the world's first low power impact detection mode, which will ensure that the camera can run parking mode not for 1, not for 2, but even up to 15 days. This means you can park your car for 15 days and the camera will still be running the parking mode, whereas most other cameras will tend to run out, or should I say the battery will tend to run out in about a day or two. The VIOFO camera has such a good built-in technology inside that your battery will remain up to 15 days and your camera will continue to monitor your car up to 15 days. This camera also supports a super night vision. This camera also supports a low bitrate recording, auto event detection, and also supports a smart hybrid parking mode which has never been seen in any dash cam in the market. One more cool feature which separates the A329S from every other camera is that this supports an external SSD storage up to 4 terabytes. So you can connect your external hard disk and just forget about any data getting deleted because you will get months and months worth of footage if you do connect a SSD. Of course, the camera itself supports memory cards up to 512 GB. This camera also supports a USB 3.0 port for the fastest data transfer of video, the fastest video transfer to your PC or your laptop. And this camera also gets a CPL filter right inside the box for the front camera. So the dual channel variant of the A329S comes at a price of about 39,000 rupees and the triple channel variant comes at a price of about 43 to 44,000 rupees. So if you're someone who has no limits on the kind of budget you want to spend on a dashcam, but you want to make sure that you have the best safety available, the best dashcam available in India, in the world, the VIOFO A329S and the VIOFO A229 Ultra are simply the perfect choices. I will blindly recommend these two cameras to any one of you who is looking to have a more premium experience from your dash cameras. That being said, all the 5 cameras mentioned in this video, all the purchase links and even some discount coupons, if any available, will be mentioned right down below in the description. Make sure to go ahead and check that out. Make sure to use the links that have been given in the description and go ahead and place the order and keep yourself and your car totally safe. I'll be bringing up many more interesting videos on dash cams, on cars and related stuff. So do make sure to subscribe to Gizmobeep. Do make sure to share this video with all your friends who are looking for the best dash cams in the year 2026. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.